Welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. In today's short video I am going to explain how to choose a fabric for a handkerchief or a small project. So for the beginners, what you need to do is pick up a rough fabric. So I have this cotton fabric. So this is a starched fabric, which is the reason why it is thick, as you can see, and this is a rough fabric which is recommended for the beginners. So this is a hard, little bit starchy cotton fabric. Next, what you need to do is you need to insert a wooden frame. So this is a medium size wooden frame. What you can do is to make a hand embroidery. For machine embroidery, the smaller one is below, but for hand embroidery, remember the bigger one with the nut and screws is in the below side. Above it, on the top of it, we will insert the fabric and then we will insert the frame like this. See that there should not be any creases. In case if there is a crease, you can just pull it off. So what I have done is I have inserted the frame. As you can see, this is a little bit starchy thick fabric which can be used for the hand embroidery for the beginners. Use a rough cloth as a draft for beginners. And how to insert the frame, embroidery frame. So the bigger loop with the nut should be in the downside. Over it you have to insert the fabric, and then you have to insert the smaller circular fabric, or you can say embroidery frame. So this is how you have to attach the frame like this over a fabric. So in this short video I told you what kind of a fabric you should pick up for small projects or for making a handkerchief or any small items or a scarf, and then how to insert the loop in the fabric. So these two things are important for the beginners. Keep in mind when you make a project. So very soon my new project is coming for which I have to deliver. A new order has come from my client which I have to deliver, for which I will make detailed video of all the steps involved. So stay tuned to Papia Art Studio and subscribe to my channel Papia Art Studio with the bell so that you are notified with all the latest updates. So do not miss out on subscribing to Papia Art Studio immediately, and also like, share, hype the channel for its growth so that I get more ideas, motivation, encourage to give you more embroidery designs. And also do not forget to comment with your sweet suggestion. So that's all for now. Stay tuned by subscribing to the channel Papia Art Studio with the bell on, and also subscribe to my vlogging channel if you want to see some entertainment at Papia Vlogs with the bell on. All the details are mentioned in the description box below, and I'll also try to put the required details on the screen. So this is how it has been hooked. So let's get started with the project in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you soon in my next project.